Second day. Ang sarap ng sleep ng mga anak ko. Good morning. Wake up na. Punta tayo ng CN Tower. Kuya, what's the tallest building in Canada? See? See? Antok pa. Dito kami sa bahay ni Uncle Nonoy, ang bunsong kapatid ni Daddy. So yeah, so far ganda ng bahay. And this is our hood in Toronto. So I'm just gonna go down to see other uncles that has arrived. Okay, baba na kami. Ako pala, nagbe-beach pa si Natona. Okay? Yan. Yan.
Hindi ba sa Mindanao ganito? Oh.
Yan, balbakwa. Parang balbakwa.
Ganyan?
Oo.
Lauya nga.
Lauya.
Lauya nga, Ilonggo nga yan.
Oo.
Ay, naku naman na Ilonggo. Ano to?
Hindi ko, nakalimutan ko na.
Ano ba na anak ng ano?
Ito, ate, ano to? It's the same.
Soup pa rin yan ang ano.
Lauya.
Batchoy, ayan o.
Yan.
Batchoy.
Batchoy. And here we are in the kitchen. So, the lunch is syempre Ilonggo. Uncle Nonoy prepared batchoy. And Auntie Tess.
Lagyan nyo na ng ano.
Sarap. And of course, the side dish is Shanghai. Syempre may chicharon.
Wala man yung
Chicharon and the batchoy. Uncle, anong tawag dito sa ano? Noodles na to?
Chowmin.
Chowmin pala ang batchoy.
Chowmin noodles.
Yeah, chowmin noodles pala.
Yung ginagamit
Hindi ko
natin
alam.
doon, Mickey. Mickey
Oh,
sa atin.
Mickey naman ang sa atin.
Oo.
Okay, pero dahil ito lang yung ano, meron.
Similar sa kwan. Dito.
Yan, syempre may egg.
Ito
And
talaga.
garlic.
We call it lapas batchoy.
Yeah, lapas.
Hindi ka ba doon nung nagkain ng lapas batchoy sa Mindanao, umuwi ka?
Oh, meron doon Uncle sa Marbel, di ba? Wala na ba yun? Meron pa rin yung sa baba sa gilid nung overpass.
Ayaw ko kung
Yun yung kinakain na namin lagi ni Daddy eh.
Pero walang katulad.
hindi ako nakakuan ng na kuan ako.
Wow, batchoy. Okay. Dali yan oh. Para syempre, mainit na mainit yung sabaw. Oh. May taba-taba talaga to, auntie ah. Parang mali pag walang taba, eh, no? Oh, malungkot. Yeah. That's the correct term. Malungkot. Sarap. Okay. Alright, so kain muna kami. Yan oh.
Si kuan.
Batchoy. Ayan si Uncle Boy. Ayan si Auntie. Si Auntie Faye. Ayan si Leah. Yeah. Ooh. Batchoy. La Paz Batchoy. Hindi, Whitby Batchoy na to.
Oo.
Whitby, Ontario Batchoy na to.
Si Hapon, sino nga ang pahapon?
Si Inchik. Yeah, si Inchik.
May Hapon, may Kano.
Ako si Kano. Si Pingping.
Yun, si Ping.
Si Daffodil. Si Daffodil.
Oo.
Ano nasa?
Sarap, auntie. Pwede na tayo magtinda nito.
Sarap ba, love? Sarap? The legit, oh? Wala na, hindi ko na video yung pagkasabi ni Uncle kung anong sikreto. Walang turuan. Secret nga eh. Para fam, pag pumunta kayo sa bahay at naghanda kami ng bok choy. Siyempre.
Alam nyo na.
Oo, alam na namin. Oh, perfect pair. Pandesal, bok choy, and then a bit of this hard-boiled egg. And then, ano next up? Chicharon. Chicharon.
You want noodles here?
Oh, yung Barrio Fiesta lang pala eh.
Sige lang.
Okay. See you later, fam.
Okay lang.
Mommy, see you later, mommy. With Uncle.
Ay,
Ah.
kamusta na?
The Alba family.
Alright. Kamusta na sa Davao?
I haven't done the house tour yet. I need to take a video because we have a YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Alba Pambam.
yeah, YouTube channel. So we try to do a diary of, you know,
300,
daily stuff there.
Ilan na followers mo?
Okay.
300.
Yeah, the Alba family.
Pero umuwi na po.
That's Justin. That's Uncle. Uncle Boy and Uncle Nonoy. Sana all. Sana all. Alright. Then of course David is here. So we're just preparing to go to Toronto downtown. So yeah, tutulungan kami ni Justin to check out downtown, the usual Toronto name. So papapicture kami doon. So, alright, see you later. Oh, that's Uncle Net. Uncle Net. Uncle
Hi,
Lolo
Uncle
Net.
Lolo.
Oh.
Yeah.
And then that's David with the uncles.
Yeah.
The Uncle Lolo.
Smile, uncles.
Wow. Oh. And then that's Uncle Lolo Boy.
Yay.
Uncle Boy. Yeah.
And Lola.
Okay.
Auntie Lola. Hello. and cousins and uncles.
Yeah, you need to subscribe like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Yeah.
7, 10 new subscribers.
Yeah.
Alba.
Bam bam.
Everyone's watching our Lola and Lolo.
Very healthy, no? Oh. We're just on vacation enjoying life, you know what I mean?
Si Senadora.
This is JR. Justin. The Toronto Albas. Yeah. The gangster here. Oh, is that true? No. Alright. You see? It's Uncle Net. Oh, that's my sister! That's your sister? That's my sister! Oh, that's Kuya Jason. That's Ate Apple. That's Auntie Faye. That's Uncle Boy. The original gangster. Oh. Lahat gangster eh. Hindi the original ka, Uncle. That's Auntie Tess. Gangster, mobster. That's Uncle Nonoy. Lobster. The lover. And that's Mommy. Yeah, good videos. So the theme of this is the celebration of life. Yeah, the celebration of life.
That's the St. Peter Chapel. General.
Sadena?
Where?
Surala.
St. Peter, Surala.
Okay. Alright. And this is our beautiful Auntie Loida and our beautiful sister Verna. Okay. Yan, no? Oh, that's Uncle Tick Boy.
Yeah, it's what do you call that? Expander cross.
Okay, guys, let's just forward this.
No. It's just focusing. It's focusing on you. That's what we want to see.
These are supposed to be for our eyes, not for everybody's eyes. You know what I mean? It's okay. Hello. Yeah, that when Dad vlogs, it's just like this.
Siyempre, first time mo na.
So, tingin ka magpakanto si Nanay?
Sa lugar mo. O, kanto sa lugar mo. Pulo-pulo. 70, siguro 69. 69 yan, Dad? 69, 70.
You eat something.
70.
Yan. The whole Alba family of Toronto is here.
Kaya magkasunod mo lang kami niyan. Ako yan.
Ah, the original eh. The original. Ah, that's Lola. Kuya, that's your great-grandma and great-grandpa. That's Daddy lost Daddy. And Daddy lost Mommy. Ah, si Lola, oh. Oh, Jason. Apple. Auntie Faye. Uncle Boy. Oh, Uncle Met. My David Leonard. And Alyssa.
St. Peter Chapel. Funeral. Surala.
A few moments later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Kiss! Yay! Happy birthday! Thank you, Mom! Happy birthday! Mommy broke candle! It's Mommy's birthday, Leah! Wow! It's Mommy's birthday! No. Out of video. Okay, alright. Napa-birthday sa Toronto! Alright! Toronto! From Calgary! Calgary, uncle.
Calgary, hindi sa Vancouver?
Galing, okay, nag-move na kami, uncle, sa Calgary. So, we could buy a house. Kaya perti ka mahal sa Vancouver eh. So, pag bali naman sa Calgary, we bought a house. Diretso, yeah. Okay, grabe Vancouver daw, Toronto eh. It's crazy, auntie, it's crazy.
Mahal din mga subong. Ang cost of living din.
Yeah. Ice malab?
Celebrating your birthday.
Mamaya yung thank you nito, bro. Just, mamaya yung thank you nito sa akin. Anong anong thank you? Walang thank you. May hindi ko na yung click yung uncle, yung play. Daw hindi ko maano yung daw ay man laman, uncle. I-try mo.
Baka po na-delete, baka po na-press and delete niya something.
Or format or something. Wow. Oh, with the Albas. With the Albas familias.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh.
Do we have plastic forks?
Astig nga, love, kanina pagka-chat ko kay Alisa. Alisa, buy me a birthday cake. Okay, kuya, sure. Then just say, happy birthday, Donna, and then that's it. Tapos dinilit ko yung message para hindi mo mabasa. Baka makita mo sa phone eh. That's Uncle Net and Auntie Rhoda. Loida.
Did everybody get cake already?
I'll get a small piece. What's that ice cream?
How about our boys? The boys. The boys.
That's Ryan if you want to.
Give some to Daddy.
Yeah.
Here, give us your dad.
Boys, ice cream cake. Ice cream cake. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Here.
Your birthday was what? Bes, subuhan mo nga ako, lap.
Ikaw? No, it's not for you. No. Okay, bye.
Gummies in my birthday.
Gummies in your birthday? Oh, wow! Di ba madami kang visitors?
Ito yung kay Ditas na kasama natin si Ditas.
Oh, nakita mo, Uncle.
Hindi, yung 2017 pa ito.
Sa GoPro na yan?
Yeah, sa GoPro. Yun. So you changed the SD card, Uncle?
Oo, hindi, yung 2017 to.
Yeah, pero you change it. Yung kaninang SD card nandyan. Wala talagang laman yung kanina.
Na-record?
Yeah.
Ay! Tapos na ang palabas.
Yeah, you have to go back again. Yeah. So, dito lang kami. Chill. Tapos nagpapakita sina Uncle ng mga trips nila to Palawan.
Hindi nga. Totoo? Hindi niya na-record?
Hindi ata.
Pero kasi dapat pag pindot mo nung GoPro, magsasabi yun eh. You don't have an SD card. Yeah, no SD card.
Di ba pag nag-record?
Yeah. And you can't record actually. Magsasabi siya no SD card kung ano. Yeah. Did you greet happy birthday, Mommy? Did you kiss Mommy happy birthday? Happy birthday, Mommy. Oh, you kiss. You say you can keep being sexy, Mommy.
Kuya, you wanna try the, ano? Kuya, come here.
Baby, ako pa. Sarap.
Share na kami.
Dapat ito na talaga ang bumibili.
Ayaw ko.
Sarap.
My mother.
Ang sarap. Ano daw? My mother. Sarap. Ice cream cake. Sarap, oh. Hindi, kakainin siya ng ice cream cake. Give me the phone. No, give me the phone. Do you want your own ice cream cake? I will ask Ate Elisa. Opo, yes po.
You want more?
Opo daw, yes po.